Hey guys, it's Wolf here, back with another video. So in this video, I will show you step by step how to buy Cream token, so Cream Finance. And we're currently on CoinGecko, and as we scroll down here, you can see that you can buy it on Binance. Okay, so Binance is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, and that I've been using basically Binance for over 3 years now, and it's absolutely the best exchange that I have ever used, simply because they have such a good variety of tokens, and there has never been any problems. It always works. It's very transparent, it's just very safe overall. And anyway, so I'm going to show you how to do it. And like you can see, Cream has BUSD and BNB pairing on Binance, which means that if you own BUSD, which is Binance USD, which is Binance version of USD, basically it's a stable coin. So one Binance BUSD is $1. Okay, if you own that, or BNB, which is Binance coin, you can trade that in the Cream finance token in the Cream. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to first, for example, buy Binance USD tokens and then trade that in the Cream. It's going to be very step-by-step tutorial, and it's going to show you step by step how to do it. Let's go. So the first step obviously is to sign up on Binance. You can find the link in description, and it takes like 30 seconds to sign up on Binance. And after you have signed up, this is the first page that you will see, right? So quickly before we start here, when you go to wallet and you go to a Binance spot, you can see your own Binance wallet right here. Okay, so all the cryptocurrencies that you own, buy in the future, trade, or anything like that, they will show up right here. Okay, so I currently have some cryptocurrencies here, like you can see, and whenever you like buy or get as reward or whatever, they will always show up here. Okay, so now how do we actually buy these Binance US tokens so we can buy Cream? Okay, because you can't buy Cream straight up with your credit card. You first have to buy these tokens and then trade that in the Cream. So to buy Binance USD tokens, all you have to do is go to buy crypto, then credit and debit card, and click that. Okay, and here you can straight up buy cryptocurrencies with your credit card. Okay, and what you want to do here is you want to go to where it says coin, and then you can see BUSD. It's the third one here, so click that. Okay, then select how much BUSD you want to buy. Oh, basically you select how much Cream you want to buy, because you can trade all of this in the Cream. So just type in how much you want to buy, and it will change the currency depending on where you are. I'm currently in Europe, so it will show euros here. Anyway, so how to buy with bank card? All you have to do is select how much you want to buy, then click buy USD, then it will take you to confirm payment details page, and then complete safety certification. You just basically click next, and then the payment is completed. Okay, then the Binance USD that you just bought will instantly show up here in your Binance wallet. Okay, it's very step by step, easy to do. Okay, so the next thing that you want to do now, the Binance, let me show you if I have some. Well, I think that I don't have any Binance US tokens here, but the BNB, not BNB, but BUSD tokens that you just bought will show up right here in your wallet. Now to trade that in the Cream, go to trade classic. Okay, here you can trade cryptocurrencies, and when you go to search, type in Cream. So Cream, and then select the Cream BUSD pairing, because we just bought BUSD, so now just we are going to trade that in the Cream. Okay, so here you can trade BUSD in the Cream or Cream in the BUSD. Okay, so this is trading, so Cream Finance. So here are sell orders, people who are selling Cream for BUSD, and here are buy orders, people who are buying Cream using BUSD. Okay, so we are here, we are buying Cream using BUSD, and we are buying from these people who are selling. Now, how do we buy from these people who are selling? The easiest way is to just click market, which will mean that Binance will automatically match you with the lowest pricing possible, right? That's what you want. You want the most coins for the less of your money. So click market, then just scroll here and select how much you want to buy. Oh, it seems that I have 10 cents here, so I have 0.10 BUSD. So like you can see, when I scroll this, it will go down or up. So when I go 100%, it means that I'm now trading 100% of the BUSD that I have in my account and trading it in the Cream Finance token. Just select how much you want to sell, basically how much BUSD you want to sell. If you want to buy 50 with 50% of the BUSD that you have, go 50%. But if you want to buy with everything that you have, just go 100%. Then just click buy Cream, and the system will automatically trade your BUSD tokens into Cream tokens, and the Cream tokens will instantly show up on your Binance Wallet. Okay, so that's how you can do it. It's very simple and easy to do. Now I also quickly want to show you a couple of things. So the Cream tokens will, by the way, show up right here, okay, in your wallet. Now, how do you sell Cream tokens? If you want to get rid of them, how do you sell them? Here's how. You go to trade, classic, and you click search again and type in Cream. And these are the pairings that you can sell it for. Let's say that you want to sell your Cream for BNB. Just click it again, then scroll down, go again market, but now instead of buying, we are going to sell. Okay, so now we are selling, we are going to be here and we are selling these people who are buying. So to get the best pricing, again click market and then just select how much we want to sell. Let's say that you want to sell all of your Cream tokens, you can just go with 100% and click sell, or 50% or whatever. Okay, when you click sell Cream, it will automatically trade your Cream tokens into BNB tokens, and then the BNB tokens will show up in your wallet. Okay, now you will have BNB tokens. Now you can come again, go to trade, classic, and type in BNB and keep trading. Now you can use the BNB to buy, for example, if you want to buy, let's say that you want to buy boom boom boom, let's say that you want to buy dry, okay, or let's say that you want to buy, anchor. Okay, let's say you want to buy anchor. You click here, or there are millions of pairings here, like you can see. You can buy even UFI. You can come here and then scroll down again, market, and where it says buy UFI, you just select how much UFI you want to buy, and then it will trade the BNB tokens to UFI, and then you will have UFI tokens in your wallet. Now you can keep trading. You can now at some point sell the UFI tokens for, let's say what you want to sell it for USDT, and you just come here again and market and sell UFI. Okay, now you get the point. Okay, so that's how you do it. You can keep trading. Okay, and basically that's how you use Binance. It's very simple, step by step. If you have any problems with this method, just comment down below and I'm here to help you. Okay, and it's very straightforward, and yeah, all you need to know is that you can start with zero. You can come here on Binance and you can buy cryptocurrency straight up with your credit card, and then you can keep trading and that kind of stuff. Okay, now my wallet actually lagging. My internet has been lagging lately. Okay, so anyway, that's that. Okay, so anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys, and definitely subscribe for daily videos, and also like this video. That will help me so much. Anyway, thank you so much and see you in the next one. Okay.